Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
It will be breezy tonight and temperatures will remain mild. I don't think we'll drop out of the 60s, down about 60 here late tonight. We'll see some showers late Saturday morning and into the afternoon coming in from the west and moving east. And also some strong winds tomorrow. We could see some gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour, and a wind advisory is in effect because of that. We're back to dry weather on Sunday. It'll be nice, slightly cooler, and that'll be the pattern into early next week too. But still, we're expecting above normal temperatures even next week. Operation Football, hard to believe this kind of weather here for early November. 69 at 7 o'clock, 66 at 9 p.m. Pretty much clear skies, a little bit breezy out there. The wind will be playing tricks with the field goal kickers out there and also throwing that ball around. 8 o'clock in the morning, 62 degrees. We're expecting partly cloudy sky, but quickly clouding up through the morning. And finally, as we get to lunchtime and beyond, we'll have that increased risk of seeing some rain. We'll make it up into the low 70s ahead of the rain. Once the rain gets going, pulling temperatures back down into the 60s. As far as the wind advisories go, we have that south wind tomorrow, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Wind advisory from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Gusts could be as high as 40 to 50. That means some tree limbs could come down, could be some spotty power outages. Don't expect widespread power outages. Even overnight, some gusty winds, about 20 to 25 miles per hour at 2 a.m. At 9 o'clock in the morning, running about 30 to 40 in our northern counties. And then you can see those sustained winds, or wind gusts, I should say, running about 40 to 45 at 11 o'clock. Some locations even getting up around 50 or even a little bit above that into the afternoon before winds start to ease off as we go through the evening. Temperatures next 12 hours coming down through the 60s, down about 60 degrees overnight. And then the high temperatures tomorrow, a little cooler in the western counties where the clouds and the rain will move in first. Warmer to the east, low to mid 70s, eastern counties, upper 60s to low 70s in the counties to the west. And then we'll be seeing highs in the upper 60s to around 70 on Sunday. Fall color is going to be rapidly fading, so hopefully you got a chance to check it out today. Tomorrow morning maybe, but with those strong winds, a lot of leaves coming down. Goodwill Auto Auction camera, mostly sunny skies, some high-level clouds, especially in our northern counties this evening, but down our way from about I-70 south, it's pretty much clear. And back to the west of us, a strong cold front moving east will move into the region, bring us a good chance of some rain here tomorrow around midday. 72 currently, south wind at 14 miles per hour. A breezy night on the way, partly cloudy skies, low near 60. And tomorrow we expect a very windy day. Showers develop. It'll be mild and a high temperature of 72 with those gusty winds. Sun up tomorrow at 8:10. Clocks are set back tomorrow night. Nice weather Sunday, 70, lighter winds. 67 Monday, mostly sunny. A little cooler Tuesday, 62, but back in the upper 60s to near 70 Wednesday and Thursday.